Hey Roses, welcome to Rachel's channel. Today she'll be doing a full face glam, so let's get started. We're gonna take this eyebrow thingy and we're gonna put it on her eyebrows. We're gonna do this for both eyebrows too. And comb it a little too. Next eyebrow. Finish it up a little. Next, okay. Just ignore that, okay? Next, we're gonna take that. I don't know what that is, but I think it's something to put on your eyes. So take this, we're gonna use these two colors on the bottom there. Put it over your eyebrows, over her eyebrows, over and under. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the next eye. Now do it on the next eyebrow. And then get this AOA brush and blend it in. Blend it and then blend it on the other eyebrow. She messed up, that's why she's laughing at herself. Now we're bringing this palette again. We're going to use that color and that color. They're both brown. Put it on the eyelid this time and on the other eyelid. Put some more. Don't be shy, put some more. And then blend it. More blending. Now we get this Vanity eyeshadow palette. She's like, cool, right? No. No, it's not. Alright, she's gonna use this white color and the brownish color. And wipe it on her eyebrows. Eyelids. More shaking, and then she's going to put it on her other eyelid. Yep, she's happy now with her look. Now we get the other brush and do this purpley color. And put it on her eye. If you do this glam look, try not to poke your eye out. Now we're going to take this other purple color and then do the same thing. Put it on both eyes so it looks like you have a purple eye, like somebody beat you up in a fight. Now we take the two brown colors on the bottom. Shake the palette out and then put it on the side of your eye. rub it in. Rub, 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 rub. Okay. Now, the other palette. There's a lot of palettes. I'm gonna use the whitish color. And then put it on. That's not white, that's like pink. The pink color. And then put it on your eye. This kind of looks like paint. Okay, and then you admire yourself. Next eye. She got some in her eye. Then touch it up a little bit more. Next we take another AOA thing, brush, and blend it in on both eyes. More admiring. And then this color. And then put it on her eye. And then the other eye too. You like? Yeah, she like. Now, we're just gonna watch her jawline as she finds her next brush. This brush. We're gonna use the gold color. And then put that on both eyes. Or just one eye. No, both eyes. Now put some more. More shaking. More poking. More poking. Yeah. Next is the brown shimmery thing. And we're gonna pat it a little. Not a lot, so just like pat it. And then pat it on the other eye. Don't forget to open your mouth while doing this step, because that's very important. Opening your mouth helps you put the makeup on better. It's a scientific fact. More dabbing. And then some more of that. Then do it on the other eye too. And more on the other eye. And more on the other eye. Yes, she's satisfied with that. Next, it's e.l.f. We're going to use e.l.f., which is intense eyeliner. I think that's what that said. She's scared because she thinks she's going to mess up. Spoiler alert, she is. I think she's thinking of how to do it. Okay, this step is very, very important because if you mess up, it ruins the whole thing. she's looking at herself and admiring her good makeup. Now she's finished the eyes, and now she's gonna go to the face. She's using this Neutrogena lotion. She's using Neutrogena lotion and putting it everywhere. And then she's using a big old brush and then spreading it. Now she's getting this e.l.f. primer, I think, and this Pro Prep thing. She's gonna put that under her eyes, on her chin, on her forehead, and yeah, that's all. And then she's using the other thing and putting it on the same places to make a cross on her face. Then she spreads that around. Yes. Okay. Now she takes this blender thingy majigger and she hits her face with it. Yay. Now this thing and that thing. Wait, no, that's foundation. I know what that is. And then another brush. And then she puts the foundation thing on her palm. And then she uses the brush to put it on her face. So put it on the 4 corners of the face. Oh, plus the nose. Then she brushes it all out to kind of blend it. Then she takes the other thing and then puts it under her eyes, on her forehead, on her mustache, and on her chin. And blends it all in. Blending, and then another more blending with that, with this blender. Now she takes this thing, that, and then she puts it under her eyes and on her chin and on her forehead. I don't know, I think it's in a shape, a specific shape on her forehead. Then she blends it all in. Again, more blending. Now put this under her eyes. She blends under her eyes. Then we get that Fit Me finishing powder. And then we're gonna put the powder and then put it under her eyes. And then on her chin, and then some on her forehead. And then blend it. Blend, blend. And then do a curve shape under your eyes. Curve. Curve. Then we take this purple spray thingy spray. Spray, 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 spray. And it doesn't, it stinks. Okay, now we're gonna blend it, push it into her skin. Next, she's using the same 2 dark shades for the bottom of her eye. And then brush it upward. Brush it upward. And then brush on her other eye too. Yes. Now take another brush and just brush under her eyes. Then we take this thing and blush, blush, and then put it on her cheeks, because that's where you put blush. Now, okay, you can back up. Okay, great. Now, we take this sparkly case thing. This has a lot of bright colors in it, so we're going to use the purple one and put it on the cheeks again. Put some more. And then we use this. More blush. And then spread it around. Ooh, sparkly blush. Yeah. And spread it around on the other side. Okay. Now, get Fit Me. And then put more stuff on her cheeks. And then on the sides of her mouth. And then blend it. Yay. Yay. Now we put chapstick. Sparkly chapstick. Yay. Now we use more of that stuff. And apply it with a brush under your eyes. I guess this helps shape the eyeliner or something. Then we brush both sides out. And then use the blender. Blender. And now we put more spray, the stinky spray. And we put the spray on the blender and put it on her face. And that is the full glam look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Rose's channel. And bye, Roses.